mixed martial artists. I love the whole vibes. You know, the vibes and the welcoming I receive from the people has been amazing. You know, these are my people. You know, my parents are from Ghana. Born and bred. I'm also Ghanaian, but I'm born in the UK. So it's not the first time I've been in Ghana. So you know, the experience is new, but the land is not new to me. So thank you to everyone who supported me to this moment. You know, it's been a tough road, but this is my professional debut, and I'm more ready and prepared than ever. That's why I thank my mum, my dad. You know, without them, I wouldn't be here. My manager, my local manager, Bruce. I will stop Isaac Commey. I will finish it.
I'm ready. I'm ready to fight. It's not strong to my level. How can I feel intimidated? No, I'm ready. I'm ready to fight for Ghana. In terms of training, psychologically, anything in terms of the fight, I'm ready.
How well?
If I'm not ready, like I will not come here to fight. I'm very ready.
He said he's going to finish you. What do you have to say?
That is a saying. But the cage will tell. I want everybody to come and watch. This is Isaac Commey, the strong man, the pride of Bukom. Yeah, I want to finish. I want to give him a push. I want him to enjoy. And I want Ghanaians to enjoy MMA. So they should come and watch.